choose your number. Which number you want?
14.
14. We open 14. Kejap ya, kejap. Cikgu punya ni lari sikit. Okay, can you read? What is this? Can you read this word?
Rest.
Rest. Very good. Did you have rest? Ada rest? Khalish ada rest tak?
Rest apa?
I mean, dekat tapak bingo Khalish ada rest. Ada perkataan rest tak? Ada. Pilih satu je. Satu je tapak bingo. Guna satu je. Yang lain tu boleh simpan.
Tak ada.
Okay, tak ada. Kalau tak ada, choose another number.
4.
4. Okay, I open 4. Can you read this one?
Pond.
Pond. Ada pond? Did you have pond? Ada pond
No.
tak? No. Okay. Kita buka lagi. Nak nombor mana?
6.
6. I open 6. Can you read this one?
N.
And. Did you have and?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, tanda and.
Tanda kat mana?
Dekat tapak bingo tu, tandakan macam ni.
Okay.
Tandakan pangkal ke? Dah. Okay, choose another number.
10.
10. Okay, I open 10. Kejap.
Wind.
Wind. Very good. Jap. Alah, kenapa dia jadi macam ni? Sekejap Alah. Okay, wind. Ada wind tak? Khalish
Tak
ada
ada.
wind? Tak ada. Okay, choose another number. Nak nombor mana? Pilih nombor lain.
1.
Number 1. I open number 1. Can you read this one?
N.
N. Very good. Ada N tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Pilih lagi nombor lain.
16.
16. Okay, I open. Can you read this one?
Best.
Best. Very good. Ada best?
Tak ada.
Tak ada juga. Okay, choose another number. Pilih nombor lain.
11.
11.
11.
11. Can you read this?
Lost.
Lost. Very good. Did you have lost? Ada lost?
Yes.
Yes. If yes, tandakan dekat lost tu. Pangkal ke, tandakan. Done? Dah? Okay. Okay, choose another number.
9.
9. Okay, 9. I open 9. Can you read this one?
Man.
Mend. Very good. Did you have mend?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tandakan mend. Done.
Nah.
Choose another number.
15.
15. I open 15. Can you read this one?
Best.
Pest. Very good. Did you have pest? Ada pest?
No.
No. Choose another number.
No. 17.
17. I open 17. Can you read this one?
Must.
Must. Did you have
Must.
must? Ada must?
No.
No juga. Just another number.
3.
3. I open 3. Sekejap. Okay, read.
Hand.
Hand. Did you have hand?
No.
Ada juga. Okay, pilih nombor lain. Just another number.
8.
8. I open 8. Aish. Oh, tengok tu. Kejap ya. Laptop cikgu ni, dia suka main-main. Okay. Can you read this one?
Sand.
Sand. Did you have sand? Ada sand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Tandakan pada yes. Sand. Done?
Done.
Okay. Another number?
7.
7. 7. I open 7. Wait. Can you read?
Land.
Land. Very good. Ada land tak? Did you have land?
Land.
Ada land? Khalish ada land tak? Khalish? Khalish?
Tak.
Okay, okay. Cikgu tak dengar suara Khalish. Okay. Next, pilih number. Tulis number? Nombor berapa?
12.
12. 12. Okay, can you read?
Mist.
Mist. Very good. Did you have mist?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Lagi berapa perkataan, Khalish?
Yang kat bingo ke atau yang kat situ?
Yang dekat bingo, Khalish, lagi berapa tak tanda?
4.
Lagi 4. Okay. Nombor berapa nak buka dulu?
18.
18. Can you read?
Just.
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 Just. Okay, very good. Ada just?
Ada.
Ada. Tandakan just. Next. Which number?
2.
2. Number 2. Wait. Oh, wait.
Sand.
One more time.
Sand.
Sand. You have sand? Ada sand?
No.
Tak ada sand. Okay. The next number?
5.
5. Okay. Can you read?
Font.
Font. Did you have font?
Yes.
Yes. Tandakan font. The last one. The last one is 13. Let's open 13. Can you read?
List.
List. Very good. Did you have list?
Yes.
Yes. Tandakan list. Okay. Dah tanda semua perkataan ke?
Hah?
Dah habis semua perkataan tanda?
Belum.
Perkataan apa yang tak tanda lagi tu?
Land.
Land. Ni kan tadi dah buka. Kenapa dia tak tanda? Ni dah buka tadi land. Kenapa tak tanda? Alamak. Okay. Kali tanda land.
Dah.
Okay. Dah bingo. Say bingo. Sebutlah bingo.
Bingo.